Yes, a very good morning to all of you. So we were revising algebraic expression, right? I think up to 9.4 we have revised, Pragati, है ना? So we are going to start with the algebraic identities, revision of algebraic identities. What is the meaning of identity? Karan, can you tell me what is the meaning of identity? Formula is identity. Bani. Shreya. Set of rules to solve the question. Identity is what? Which is true for each and every value. For example, if I'm writing, we have done some identities like a plus b whole square. This is equal to a square plus b square plus 2. This was the first identity that we have discussed. A square, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Why it is called identity? This is identity because any value of a and b you put here. Suppose you put a equal to 2, b equal to 3, right, in the left hand side. And then in the right hand side also, both will be equal, right? Suppose you are putting a equal to 5 and b equal to 6. And on this side also you put a equal to 5 and b equal to 6. The answer will be the same. Identity means which is true for all the values. If I'm writing simply, this is ab whole square, a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus ab, like kuch anything. This is not identity because this will not be true for all the numbers. Identity is that expression which is true for each and every value. ये जो एक्सप्रेशन है जो मैंने यहाँ पे लिखी फर्स्ट आइडेंटिटी, इसमें आप a एंड b की कोई भी वैल्यू पुट कर दो, आपकी दोनों साइड्स जो है वो इक्वल आएंगी. That's why it is called identity, right? So we have done certain identities. Let us recall them, and accordingly we will apply them in the questions also. Rhythm, just keep an eye, no outsider should be there. And if it is so, let me know at the same time, right? And either say, I think, Avni, you do the same. If some outsider is there, just let me know at the same time, right? Chalo. So let us firstly write the identities that we have learned. First is a plus b whole square. That is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Then we done the second one. This is a minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2a. What is the difference between these two? No difference is there, just the difference of minus. A square here, a square is here also. B square is here, B square is here also. 2ab is here, 2ab is here also. But in minus, in case of minus whole, a minus b whole square, you just have to put minus with the 2ab. Right? Then the third identity, x plus a into x plus b. The identity x plus a into x plus b, x plus a into x plus b. How to apply this identity? But to see, listen, there are two brackets. In the two brackets, first number is the same. दोनों brackets में पहला number same है, and second number is not the same. This is different, right? So in such case, when in the two brackets, first number is the same and second number is different, how to open and how to get the answer of the identity? Same numbers square. That means x ka square. Plus ka sign. The different numbers are to be added. What are the different numbers? A and B. They are to be added. Multiply the same number. What is the same number? X. x is the same number, multiply the same number, plus same numbers are multiplying a into b. Square of the same number plus sum of the non same number multiply the same number plus product of the non same number. ठीक है? This Hardik 7th A, 8th A. Beta switch on your video. Hardik, you are raising hand na? Switch on your video only, then I will take you out. Otherwise, I am going to remove you from the class. Hardik 7th A. If you are switching on your video, yes Hardik, what do you want to ask? Yes Hardik.
Hello, good morning मैम.
हाँ जी, good afternoon.
मैम मैंने पूछना है कि मैम जो अपने लोग सम कर रहे हैं मैम, मुझे मैम समझ लगा मैम, प्लीज मैम आप दोबारा करवा सकते हो?
Yes, repeat your doubt. It's not
मैम
clear to me.
मैम जो आपने मैम सम करवाया ना मैम, मुझे मैम समझ लगा, मैम आप दोबारा करवा सकते हो?
सम तो कोई कराया ही नहीं अभी तो आइडेंटिटीज लिखनी शुरू की हैं.
वही मैम आइडेंटिटी समझ नहीं आई मैम.
फॉर्मूला है बेटे, लर्न करना है. a प्लस बी होल स्क्वायर, दो नंबर्स के सम का स्क्वायर, फर्स्ट नंबर का स्क्वायर प्लस सेकंड नंबर का स्क्वायर प्लस 2 इनटू फर्स्ट नंबर सेकंड नंबर. a माइनस बी होल स्क्वायर, फर्स्ट नंबर का स्क्वायर प्लस सेकंड नंबर का स्क्वायर माइनस 2 इनटू फर्स्ट नंबर इनटू सेकंड नंबर. देन x plus a into x plus b. How to identify? The two numbers should be the same and two numbers should be the non same. Then we apply this identity. How?
मैम जो एक की मैम जो मैम सम देता, मैम जो सम दिया होता है मैम,
सम कर अभी करेंगे आइडेंटिटी पे बेस सम. देन यू विल बेटर अंडरस्टैंड, राइट? चलिए. सो इसके साथ की और भी आइडेंटिटीज होती हैं जो हम इसी के बेस पे करेंगे. देखो, सपोज यहाँ पे माइनस है और यहाँ पे प्लस है. हमने एक आइडेंटिटी लर्न करनी, बस उसी पे बेस्ड हमारी जो बाकी की आइडेंटिटीज हैं वो चलेंगी. अब इसके लिए कोई अलग फॉर्मूला नहीं याद करना. इसको वैसा बना लो. ऐसा कैसे बनाएंगे इसको? ऐसा x प्लस प्लस का साइन लगा के माइनस को ब्रैकेट में कर दो. प्लस का साइन बीच में लगा के और माइनस को ब्रैकेट में कर दो. अब आपका फॉर्मूला वैसे का वैसे ही बनेगा जैसे ऊपर बना है ना, सेम. अब देखो, हियर इन द ब्रैकेट्स फर्स्ट नंबर इज द सेम xx एंड द सेकंड नंबर इज नॉन सेम. फर्स्ट ब्रैकेट में सेकंड नंबर कौन सा है? माइनस a एंड सेकंड ब्रैकेट में सेकंड नंबर b. अब कैसे शुरू करेंगे? सेम नंबर का स्क्वायर प्लस सम ऑफ द सेम नंबर. अब कौन से नंबर हैं? सॉरी, सम ऑफ द नॉन सेम नंबर कौन से हैं? माइनस a प्लस b into the same number, that means x, plus multiply of the non same number, minus a multiply b. Third identity that I'm writing, it can be in the any form, first second. इसकी एक और फॉर्म लिखने लगी हूँ मैं, थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द सेम. थर्ड फॉर्म इज लाइक, सपोज दोनों में माइनस है. हमने इसके लिए अलग से फॉर्मूला लर्न नहीं करना, हमने इस माइनस को प्लस बना लेना है. कैसे बनाएंगे प्लस? लेट अस सी. विद इन द ब्रैकेट माइनस, विद इन द ब्रैकेट आपने इसको माइनस कर देना है. विद इन द ब्रैकेट यू विल डू माइनस. ठीक है? नाउ द सेम प्रोसेस, सेम नंबर का स्क्वायर, जो नंबर सेम नहीं है उनको ऐड करो. सेम कौन से नंबर नहीं है? माइनस a प्लस माइनस b. इनको ऐड कर दो इनटू द सेम नंबर, दैट मींस x, प्लस मल्टीप्लाई द नंबर्स व्हिच आर नॉट सेम. One is minus a, another is minus. You learn one and the rest you can write yourself. Just introducing plus between. आपने बीच में प्लस लगा लेना है, माइनस को अंदर शिफ्ट कर देना. रूल विल रिमेन द सेम. रूल विल रिमेन द सेम. Fourth identity we have done, a square minus b square. This is equal to A plus B into A minus B. That means this identity will be applied when there is difference between the squares of the two numbers. A ka square minus B ka square. What to do? Once both will be added, A plus B, and once both will be subtracted. That means A minus B. Now, whatever identities I have written on the board, you have to remember it in two ways. Two ways means you should know what is A plus B whole square. This is A square plus B square plus 2AB. And moreover, you should know A square plus B square plus 2AB, it is equal to what? A plus B whole square. You should know what is A minus B whole square. This is A square plus B square minus 2AB. And you should know at the same time that A square plus B square minus 2AB is equal to A minus B whole square. Similarly, you should know A square minus B square is A plus B into A minus B. At the same time, you should know that A minus B into A plus B, this is equal to A square minus B square. So in both the ways, you have to learn the identities. Sometimes you have to you will be given this and you have to develop this. Sometimes you will be given this and you have to reach this. Sometimes you will be given this and you have to develop this. Sometimes you will be given this and you have to reach this. Okay? So whatever identities I'm writing on the board, you have to learn them in both of the ways. दोनों तरीकों में से आपने इनको लर्न करना. ठीक है? चलो. Let us start with the exercise. Exercise 9.5. Question number first. I am doing second part. First question, second part. When there are same bracket, बहुत light नजर आता है इस बोर्ड पे. When there are same brackets, you know, you did one rule of exponent and loss. If there is x raised to power 1 into x raised to power 2, this becomes x raised to power 3. बेसिस सेम, मल्टीप्लाई का साइन पावर्स ऐड हो जाती है, तो ये बेसिस सेम है, मल्टीप्लाई का साइन है, यहाँ भी पावर 1, यहाँ भी पावर 1, ऐड होके कितनी बन जाएगी? 2. So you will be having 2y plus 5 whole square. Now you have to identify which identity can be used. A plus b whole square. But whenever you are using the identity, make one thing very sure that you have to write the identity aside whatever you are using. जो identity आप use कर रहे हो उसको आपको side पे लिखना है. Which identity you are using? A plus b whole square. Which number is working as A? 2y. And which number is working as b? 5. So A plus b whole square, we will write it like A square plus b square plus 2 into A into b. Now, when in a bracket there is a square, that square will be given to both of the number. This square, it will be given to 2, that will become 4. It will be given to y, that is y square. 5 square is 25. Now, you know, when you have done the multiplication in algebra, you know that same factors are multiplied. In terms के same factors कौन से हैं? Constant. 2 2 जा 4 5 जा 50 और साथ में sorry 20 4 5 जा 20. This is 21. Let us do the fourth part. First question, fourth part. This is 3a minus 1 by 2 into 3a minus 1 by 2. Same bases are there. Multiply का sign, parts will get added. This is 1, 1. मिलके क्या होगी? 2. So you will write 3a minus 1 by 2 raised to power 2. And formula will be a minus b whole square. This is a, this is b. So you will be having a minus b whole square. This is a square plus b square minus 2ab. That means first number ka square, a is 3a, plus second number ka square 1 by 2 square, minus 2 into first number a into second number b. This is 9a square plus 1 by 4, 2 get cancelled, minus 3. Answer. 9a square plus 1 by 4 minus 3a is the answer. Let us do the sixth part of the same question. Sixth part. It is a square plus b square into minus a square plus b square. हम इसको थोड़ा सा मैनेज करके लिखते हैं. Then I will ask you that which identity will be used and you will tell me. Let me manage it. I am writing it like b square plus a square and then b square minus a square. मैंने क्या किया? b स्क्वायर को आगे लिख दिया. प्लस वाले को आगे लिखना था ना, इधर प्लस वाले को आगे लिखना था. b स्क्वायर को आगे लिखा, माइनस वाले को पीछे लिख दिया. एट द सेम टाइम मैंने फर्स्ट ब्रैकेट में भी b वाले को आगे लिख दिया, a वाले को पीछे लिख दिया. गुरकरण, कैन यू आइडेंटिफाई द आइडेंटिटी x plus a x plus b? a plus b, a minus b, both the numbers are same in the two brackets. Once they are with plus sign, then they are with the minus sign. That means a plus b into a minus b. क्या होता है फॉर्मूला? a square minus b square. So this is little bit difficult कि यहाँ पे आप इसको आगे कर रहे हो प्लस वाले को, माइनस को पीछे. सेम वे आपने b को आगे कर लिया, a को पीछे. राइट? सो दिस इज a square minus b square. Who is working as a? This number. Who is working as b? This number. So write down a square, b square का square minus a square का square. In exponent and laws, you have learned that if one power is outside, one is inside, both the powers get multiplied. So this will be b raised to power 4 minus a raised to power 4. b raised to power 4 minus a raised to power 4. Right? Let us do eighth part. Eighth part is minus a plus c into minus a plus c. जब भी कभी माइनस स्टार्टिंग में हो ना, उसको पीछे कर लो, वो थोड़ा आसान हो जाता है. So I would like to write it as c minus a, c minus a. माइनस वाले को पीछे कर लो. Now both are the same terms. We can write c minus a का square using the laws of exponent. Which formula can be applied here now? Identity a minus b whole square. A square minus 2a. This number will work as A and this will work as B. A square, that means C square, plus B square, that means A square, minus 2 into A, that means C, B, matlab. We replace the values of A and B according to our expression. So this is C square plus A square minus 2BC. Answer. Right? So जब भी कभी माइनस हो ब्रैकेट में आप उसको फटाफट से पीछे कर दो. That will be the better way to solve. Right? Let us do the seventh part. Same question, seventh part. This is 6x minus 7 and 6x plus 7. Formula is A minus B, A plus B. That means two same numbers in two brackets. Once they are with plus sign and then they are with minus sign. So formula will be A square, A plus B into A minus B. That is A square minus B square. So this is A minus B into A plus B equal to A square minus B square. The number 6x will work as A and the number 7 will work as B. So you will be having A square, 6x square, B square, 7. So when this square will be solved, it will be given to 6, will be given to x also. 36x square minus 49 is the answer. Okay. $36x square minus 49 is the answer. Let us do second question. Let us start second question, second part. Question number second. Let us do its second part. This is 4x plus 5 into 4x plus 1. Identify the identity की कौन सी identity हम use कर सकते हैं? First number is same, but second numbers are different. First number same है, second number different है. So identity is x plus a into x plus b, which is equal to x square, same number का square plus different number को add किया multiply x plus a, which is working as same number x, it is 4x. Which is working as a 5 and who is working as b 1. Same number का square, that means 4x का square. जो नॉन सेम नंबर है उनको ऐड करो, that is 5 plus 1 into the same number, that is 4x plus नॉन सेम नंबर मल्टीप्लाई. जिनको आपने यहाँ पे ऐड किया उन्हीं को यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई करो. So this is 16x square, 16x square plus 6 into 4x plus 5. This is 16x square, 6 4 the 24x plus 5. Let us do the third part of the same question. This is 4x minus 5, 4x minus 1. So I told you whenever minus sign is there, इसको अंदर ले जाओ, प्लस को बाहर लिख दो, लिख सकते हैं. Now this is x plus a, x plus b. This number will be same number. This will work as a and this will work as b. अगर आप प्लस का साइन लिख लेते हो, माइनस को अंदर ले जाते हो, फिर आपको एक ही फॉर्मूला याद रखना पड़ेगा, ज्यादा फॉर्मूले याद रखने नहीं पड़ेगा. तो द फॉर्मूला इज सेम नंबर का स्क्वायर, डिफरेंट नंबर ऐड इनटू द सेम नंबर प्लस डिफरेंट नंबर मल्टीप्लाई. Solve it further. All of you further solve it and get the answer accordingly. Square open. This is to be solved. Then multiply by 4x. Multiply. हो गया श्रेया? Come to sixth part of the same question. Sixth part. Sixth part is 2a square plus 9 into 2a square plus 5. यहाँ पे तो बीच में प्लस ही है, कोई प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है. You see, this is the same number. This is working as a and this is working as b. Same number का square plus different number add into same number plus different number multiply. This square will be given to both of them. घर में मिठाई का डब्बा आता है, सारे खाते हैं कि एक जने का ही होता है? सब खा सकते हैं. ये स्क्वायर सबको मिलेगा. इसको मिला तो 4 बना, इसको मिला तो a स्क्वायर का स्क्वायर 2 2 जा 4. This is 14 into 2a square, 9 5 जा 40. 4a raised to power 4, 14 2s are 28a square plus 45. So do its seventh part right now. Seventh part of the same question. Do it right now. Seventh part of the same question. Do it right now. Shriya, Gurnoor, Bani, all of you do it. Seventh part of the same question. Who said done? Rhythm, आप भी नहीं कर रहे हो. Your video is on, but you are not solving it. Seventh part. In seventh part, can you tell me which number will work as same number? X, Y, Z. What is the value of A here? -4. And what is the value of B? Chalo, we'll continue tomorrow. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.